Hi guys, in today's lesson, I'm calculating this jam chemistry question with us under pH. So I want you guys to stay till the end. Now the question says, find the pH in which the hydrogen ion concentration is 6.38 times 10 raised by minus 6 mole per dm cube. That's what the question says. In one of my previous video, I taught on how to calculate pH and I also dropped a simple formula for calculating pH calculations with ease. But today, in today's lesson, I'll be dropping on that formula for calculating question for calculating question like this. So I want you guys to stay till the end. Now, in this question, they're asking us to find what the pH. Now, when the hydrogen ion is this, so they give us, which is what 6.38 times 10 raised to what minus 6. Now, I brought out this because in the jam, for those of us that are watching this video and for those of us that prepare for the jam 2026 exam, please, I want you guys to note that in the jam calculator, they don't say that log table, but each year, jam will always give you question on pH scale or pH calculation. So how to calculate this? So with this, I brought out this to help us calculate question like this with ease. Now, I want you guys to get used to it and also memorize it. That's the reason why I brought out this. Now, the formula we bring out to solve question like this is this. So I want you guys to get familiar with it. The formula for calculating pH question like this is pH equals to n minus open bracket log s plus log y over 2 close the bracket. So this is the formula for calculating question like this. Now, if you look at this very well, this is the water hydrogen ion. Now, if you check your log table, there's something like, if you check your four figures table and me, there's something like 6.38. 6.38 does not have a value except you press it on calculator, and then jam calculator does not have log table. So how are you not going to solve question like this? That's the reason why I came up with this formula. Please, I want you guys to get used to this formula and get familiar with this formula. Now, once they give you value that have 6 points, there's another value after the point, you are going to use formula like this. Assuming they give us 6.0 times 10 to the power minus 6. Now, log 6 has a value, but there's something like log 6.38. Log 6.38 is not a four figure table. It does not have a value except you press it in calculator. So with this now, let's go straight to the calculations. Now, but before I solve this, let me explain this formula for us. Now, the hydrogen ion concentration they give us is what 6.38 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. Now, this n in this formula is what is the power. The power is what raised to the power minus 6. But you leave the sign and pick only what the 6. Now, if you look at this very well now, but log 6.38 is in between what log 6 and log 7. Don't forget, earlier on I said that there's nothing like log 6.38. But now I'm telling you guys that log 6.38 is in between what log 6 and log 7. Now, this log s will not represent what that log 6, while this log y will not represent what log 7. Now, assuming they give us something like 2.38. Now, 2.38 is in between what log 2 and log 3. So log 2 will not be here, log 2 will not be here. So any value that they give you will represent this. Now, in this question, they give us what log 6.38, and 6.38 is between what log 6 and log 7. Now, having explained all this on, let's go through to the calculations. Now, pH equals to what n is the power, which is 6. Leave the sign to the what 6 minus open bracket. Now, they give us 6.38. Now, 6.38 is between what log 6 and log 7. So this log s is what log 6. So log 6 plus this log 1 and what log 7. Log 7 over 2. We're taking their average. So therefore, pH equals to what 6 minus open bracket. Now, log 6. Are you seeing it now? Get used to this. If you get used to it, now any question on pH will be very easy. Now, log 6, if you come to here, log 6 is what 0.80. So log 6 is what 0.80 plus log 7. Log 7 was 0.86. 0.86. If you want to that, if all this value that I brought is correct, go to your calculator, press it. Log 2 will give you 0.30. So I just approximated them. So let's continue. Over 2, close the bracket. So pH is equal to 6 minus. Now, what I'm going to do, we're going to add these values up. Now, if you add 0.80 plus 0.86. If you add it together, you're going to get 0.166. Close the bracket over 2. Don't forget. So it will now be pH equal to 6 minus. Now 0.166 divided by 2. We're going to get 0.83. Now we have eliminated this now. So pH is equal to what? 6 minus 0.83. Now 6 minus 0.83 to not get our final answer. So our pH is now equal to what? 5.17. This is our pH, 5.17. Approximately 5.2. So this happens to be what? Our pH. Now, if you want to prove whether my answer is correct, go straight to your calculator, press this value in your calculator and see if you will not get my answer. So thank you guys for watching till the end.